Here we have a 68 plate BMW 330d XDRIVE M Sport Shadow Edition. Now this vehicle comes with over £3,000 worth of optional extras. We also have the LED daytime running headlights, gloss black front grills, we have the M Performance kit which includes the gloss black front splitter. We have the mineral grey exterior paintwork. We also have the 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We have the side skirt extensions along the bottom, colour-coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Shark fin antennae up top. We also have the gloss black rear spoiler as well just there. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We have the rear reversing camera as well. We also have the rear diffuser with the twin pipe exhaust. Taking a look at the boot just inside of here, you find that we have quite a decent amount of space. We also have the storage net on the left hand side as well. A little handle just underneath here and pull that closed. Back around to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior. Coming to the back first, you find we have the full leather interior, foldable armrest in the centre, we have the fixed ISO points as well, with the vents down there for the rear passengers. We also have the electric windows on the doors. Taking a look at the front again, we have the full leather interior. Both the front seats are heated, and there is a look at them. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system. We also have the electric mirrors and electric windows. We have the auto lights just down there, the auto wipers as well. We have a multifunctional steering wheel with paddle shifters on either side. Taking a seat aside, you find we have the speed limiter and the cruise control, high beam assist as well just on there. Put our foot on the brake, press the start button and the vehicle will start up for us, and you'll find we'll be free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre. If that screen is flickering, that's just the camera. It's not like that in reality, so nothing to worry about. So if we put the car into reverse, you find we have the rear reversing camera along with the parking sensors as well. We also have the media where you find that we have the DAB radio. We also have the USB, Bluetooth audio and the CD player as well as all these other options as well. The phone connectivity just there. If we go and click onto the drive modes, we have the Eco Pro. We also have Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus as well. Further down you find we have the climate control, heated seats on either side, ice cold air conditioning as well, all working just as it should do. We also have the cup holders and the 12-volt connectivity inside of there, the drive mode buttons, we have the parking sensors, we also have the shortcuts for the infotainment screen, we have the manual handbrake as well, nice little leather armrest which can be opened up for more storage or extended as well. Inside of here you find we have the USB port. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.